My name is Mick Maguire, and the tale I'll tell to you about a girl that I admire called Kitty Donegal. Well, she's fair and fat and 40, believe me when I say, whenever I come in the door, you can hear her mommy say, Johnny, get up from the fire, get up and give the man a seat. Don't you know it's Mr. Maguire and he's your sister kid? You know very well he owns a farm a wee bit out of the town. How to get up out of that you and rat and let Mr. Maguire sit down. Diddly doddle doddle doddle, diddly doddle doddle doddle, diddly doddle doddle doddle, diddly doddle doddle doddle. Sure, you know very well he owns a farm a wee bit out of the town. How to get up out of that you and rat and let Mr. Maguire sit down. Well, the first time that I met her was at a fair at Tandragee, and I very kindly asked her if she'd dance a step with me, and I asked if I could see her home, as I'd be going her way, and whenever I come in the door you could hear her mommy say, Johnny, get up from the fire, get up and give the man a seat. Don't you know it's Mr. Maguire and he's courting your sister Kate? You know very well he owns a farm a wee bit out of the town. How to get up out of that you and brat and let Mr. Maguire sit down. Diddly doddle doddle doddle, diddly doddle doddle doddle, diddly doddle doddle doddle, diddly doddle doddle doddle. You know very well he owns a farm a wee bit out of the town. How to get up out of that you and brat and let Mr. Maguire sit down. But now that we are married, sure her mother's changed her mind. All because I spent the legacy her father left behind. Sure she hasn't got the decency to bid me time of day, and whenever I come in the door you can hear the old one say, Johnny, come up to the fire, come up, you're sitting in the draught. Sure it's only old Maguire and he nearly drives me daft. Sure I don't know what's got in him, sure he's always on the tear. Oh, just sit where you are and never you dare to give old Maguire the chair. Diddly doddle doddle doddle, diddly doddle doddle doddle, diddly doddle doddle doddle, diddly doddle doddle doddle. Sure I don't know what's got in him, sure he's always on the tear. Oh, just sit where you are and never you dare to give old Maguire the chair.